In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Klaviyo pop-up form submission as a conversion for Snapchat pixels. My name is Nasim and I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with more than 6 years of working experience. I love to share my experience and teach people how to build digital skills and make money from home. So, if you want to stay up to date, then consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. Let's back to this topic. As you can see, this is my WordPress demo website and my Klaviyo form already connected to my WordPress website. And you can see if I submit the email and hit the get coupon, I will see the coupon. This is actually conversion. Let's see how to set up. I will use Google Tag Manager to set up my conversion tracking because this is the smart and easy way to set up conversion tracking like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. If you are not so technical, you can contact me. I am here to help you. Details on the description. Let's back here. This is my Google Tag Manager container, and if I want to connect to Google container to my website, just simply copy this code and paste under the head tag of my website. So I think you can do that, and I already did for this video. So that's it. So now my website is connected to my Google Tag Manager, and then go to preview mode, and it's actually the test mode, you can say. So we can find our trigger. So this is the website and try to connect. You can see my website is connecting to Google Tag Manager test mode. So if I do the same event as a test, then see what happens. So just click a demo email address here. It's actually test mail, and hit the button. And after that, if I go on the tag manager, and you can see this is the Klaviyo unique event. It's actually the custom event we are getting on the tag manager preview mode. So this is the event we need to send it to our pixels. So that's why we need to make a trigger first. So trigger, just it will be a custom event. Just paste the exact same name that we are getting from our tag assistant. So I want to keep the name is Klaviyo trigger. So you can choose any name here. It's not important. Now it's time to make a tag. Tag is important to send data to pixels. So for sending data, we need to make the two tags. So first of all, if I go on the new and select our specific tag, just hit the tag configuration and search the Snapchat pixel. So if I search, you can see the Snapchat pixel is already here. So just we need to input our pixel ID here. So I already inputted, and we need to make the two tag, one for page view, and page view will be all page because this is the base connection to Snapchat pixel to our website. So you can see I have made the one tag is for connecting Snapchat pixels, and another pixel I am making which to send the exact same event to our Snapchat pixel. For I want to choose for this event which is subscribe, and I don't want to use any additional information here. Just select that trigger and choose the custom name which is Klaviyo. So you can choose your preferred name here, so it's up to you. So now you can see if our tag is ready. Now it's time to test our setup. So go to preview mode again and try to connecting website. So my website is connecting to my tag container, and here you can see my website is successfully connected. So now go to Klaviyo pop-up and try to hit the button. So this is the conversion, and Check the snapshot pixels. Here you can see the two event is here, one for page view and one for subscribe. So that's mean this website is working fine. And you can see the Klaviyo is fired here. And when you submit the new version of Google Tag Manager, then it will start working. If you need my assist, open my calendar link and book a 15-minute free pre-project call with your date and time, and then fill up a little steps. I would love to assist you. If you think this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it helps me to continue working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.